Ang normal na ginagamit natin, unsweetened almond milk, yun yung specific for low carb. Kailangan pang magpagaling, into healing, kailangan strict. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi tayo pwede gumamit ng full cream milk. Pero kahit may carbs, hindi natin dapat dinidisregard na meron din naman tong protein and fats. Ang key lang when you use full cream milk is to be mindful ng amount. Lalo na tong mga full cream milk na regular, hindi to pwedeng unli. So kung regular milk, nasa caution list to, kailangan be mindful of the quantity and not recommended for those who are still healing. So yun yung sa milk ha, hindi porket regular milk masama kasi meron din siyang protein at meron din siyang fats. Just be mindful of the amount. Hindi siya pwedeng unli. At kung ikaw ay may sakit, kung ikaw ay still healing, mas maganda ay unsweetened.